When you're preparing for a court appearance, you want to think about what you want to wear in advance. So you want it to be appropriate for court. So I would say no jeans or sneakers, but I would really say dress so that you feel your best. Something that is like appropriately sort of conservative, but that has you feel comfortable, confident, looking your best, and really feeling like yourself. When you're preparing for court and you're deciding what to wear, you may even want to try it on in advance, even if that sounds crazy, so that you are sure that your attention's not going to be on that you hate your outfit and don't feel like you're dressed up enough or you're too dressed up. So try to find something that's kind of middle of the road in terms of formality, but that really has you be yourself. For example, if you're a stay-at-home mom, you don't need to come in a business suit. Leave that to your lawyer. If you're a woman and feel most comfortable in a skirt or pants, wear one of those, but have it be, kind of business appropriate. As for a man, I would say this is erring on the side of being more conservative, but I would recommend wearing a shirt and tie, if not a jacket also. And I think the judges seem to really appreciate that across the board. Even if your job is a very physical job and you never put a suit on except when you go to a wedding or a funeral, add court to that list and wear the jacket and tie. Before you're going to court, you want to make sure you just have some amount of time with your attorney. It can be on the phone. It doesn't have to be a long call, but just so that you get any questions you have answered. I recommend you just asking, what can I expect? To the extent that the attorney knows, they will share that with you. And then you can ask them, is there anything you want me to bring? Is there anything you want me to do or not do? And you can go in there really aligned on your approach. As you're getting ready for and leading up to a court date, it can be very nerve-wracking. You want to try to envision the future that you are out to create for yourself beyond all of this. You are going to get through the court appearance, I promise. So start to focus your attention on what you want the ultimate outcome to be, what things you'd like to ask for, what areas you may be willing to compromise on, but to keep your vision on what is next for you rather than on what's already happened, what you're upset about, what you're nervous about. And also, give yourself some space. It's normal to be nervous to go to court. It's not something you normally do. The more and more you focus on what's out in front and what you want for yourself, the more relaxed you'll be and the more powerful you'll be. Some very, very practical pieces of advice. I always like to run early. Then you allow for life to happen. You get stuck in traffic. You can't find a parking spot. You'll still be early and on time. I also recommend sometimes cases take hours to be called. So have a snack on you, have a bottle of water, have something that you can use to sustain yourself and keep your energy up if it ends up that you have to sit there all day. These are some of the steps that you can use for yourself to prepare powerfully for court and be as calm and centered as you possibly can under a stressful circumstance. If you have any questions about this, how to prepare, what to do, what not to do, just reach out to us at Hannon to Palma. We're right here.